Number 4 then, from paper 1 of the 2018, quick sketch again here, I'm just going to go through this quickly. You're given the circle, here's its equation in that expanded form. You've to find the equation of the tangent at this point K on that circle with coordinates 8, -5. Well, you know how to do that one. To get the equation of a line, you need a point on it, got it, you need its gradient. To get its gradient, you can use the fact that the radius must meet it at right angles. So if you can get the centre, you can get the gradient of that radius, and that must be the first mark. Extract the centre from this. No need to bother with your F's and G's or whatever, it's half of those numbers. It's 6, 3. Half the numbers with the opposite sign. There'll be a mark for that. So now what is the gradient of this radius, or call it the gradient of CK if you will? Difference in the y coordinates over the difference in the x coordinates. Any order you like, I'll start with this one. -5, take away 3. Make sure you do y on top, distance up over distance along. This one, 8, take away 6 for the difference in the x's. So that's -8 upon 2, so that's -4. That'd be the first mark, the second mark. And it looks about right, it's negative, it's sloping down, and a 4 means it's really steep. Having got that, you know that if this line is perpendicular, I'll call that the equation, the gradient of the tangent, it's going to be the negative of the reciprocal. Flip the sign and flip it over. There's 3 marks, I would guess. So for the equation of the tangent, you're just going to use the y minus, I'm just going to rattle straight in with it, y minus the y coordinate, not of C, because that's not on the line, only of K. Y minus the y coordinate, take away a negative, that's plus. Is the gradient, which is a quarter of x minus the x coordinate. Pop that over. This side times 4, 4y plus 20. This side just becomes x minus 8. Then any order you like, but you have to put these two numbers together. 4y equals x. That comes across as a -20, so it's -28. Alright, and that would be it. Centre, there's a mark. Gradient of the radius, there's a mark. Gradient of the tangent, there's a mark. Final answer, as long as you've tidied up the two numbers into one, there's a mark no matter which order you put them in.